Hazrat Suwaid bin Ghafala radiyallahu anhu states, I, Hazrat Zaid bin Suhan, and Hazrat Salman bin Rabia went on a jihad. I found a whip, so I picked it up. They both said to me, leave it. I said, no, I will make announcement for it. If its owner comes, then very well. Otherwise, I will use it, and I did not accede to their proposal. When we came back from jihad, I fortunately went to perform Hajj and then visited Medina Munawwara. I there met Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'ab radiyallahu anhu. I narrated to him the episode of picking up the whip and their prescribing me to do so. He said, in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times, I found a pouch containing 100 dinar. I took it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, announce it publicly for a year. He said, I then made it public for 1 year, but no one came to recognize it. I again visited him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, announce it publicly for a year. He said, I again announced for it, but no one came to identify it. I again entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, announce it publicly for a year. He said, I made announcement for it, but no one came to identify it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, embed in your mind the number of its rupees, the pouch and the string. If its owner comes, that is good, otherwise make use of it. Later I made use of it. Suwaid bin Ghafala says that then he happened to meet Hazrat Ubay radiyallahu anhu. He said to me, I don't remember whether it was 3 years or one. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4481.